Hello guys, welcome to Logic Greeky. Today I am going to explain the index match with multiple criteria. So we have the one in one sheet have the data, and in another sheet we don't have any data, and only we have taken the code. So how to get the at the time multiple columns. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, now we are going to see how to get the data all the multiple columns at one with index match. Now we need the data all the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. 8 columns data we want here at the time. So we'll go from basic. Okay. So normally how we will do, we look up, select the value and table array, comma 2 comma 0, and again we'll start here, right? This is how it works, right? Or else we can do with index match also. Index match, select the column and again match from which column you want. Here lookup value and lookup array, this column, comma 0, close the bracket, and we will get the details. So we cannot filter all the data here, right? So now we'll see how to get all the data at the time. Is equal index match, select the index match, select the box table, comma match, and select the lookup value, log the A column only $A2, not 2, because when we drag it down, so the rows will come, selection will continue, right? So I want to the column should be locked. So when I want to column should be locked, $A2. I press the Control F4, and next lookup array. This is there I am selected the column, right? Now again I will select the entire column, and by default it is logged. Okay, comma 0, exact match I want. So close the bracket, again comma match. Now I want to select the lookup with the rows. Again I will select here I log the columns, right? Now we need to log the rows. How to log the F4 rows means control, just press the F4. It will log the columns and rows, right? $B, $1 means it is logged both. So now I want to log only row. Yeah, now $1 means only log the rows only. Column will continue. Okay, comma, and go to the main data and select the column, entire column. By default it will select the entire row. By default it will log the entire row, $1 column $1, and close the bracket, enter. Now values came, right? So control down, press the control down, and control shift up, control D, values came, right? Again, keep the selected table like that only. Shift, press the shift right arrow, press the control, press the control R. So this is how we select the, please make a practice that, and this is how we will get the multiple columns, multiple criteria data. So this is how we'll get the data through help of index match formula with multiple criteria. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, now we understand, right, how to get the multiple columns data through index match formula, right? So thanks for watching. Please continue the next video.